Hey guys, welcome to episode 35 of Portfolio Update. I hope you guys are having a great Monday so far. So let's get into it. I am currently up 1.4k, that's 25%. And in the after hours we have been going up, but at our heights we were at 1.6, and that was right after hours began. And that was us hitting our personal best for this portfolio. In Friday's video I mentioned all the things that would need to occur for me to get back into the 7,000s, and they did end up happening. So the first and most obvious big mover today was Shell moving over $10 today. In normal hours it's up 33.7%, and then after hours it's down 0.03%. But it did break into the $42 range, which was crazy. There's not one big piece of news that got the stock moving 30% in one day. Mostly it's just anticipation of merger date news, as well as a lot of institutions buying into Shell. So for my common shares, I am up 33%. Like I said, that's $682, and then from my call option, I am up $615. That's 183%, and overall I am up 313% on that one call option. So a $230 call option made me about the same today as having 69 shares of Shell at an average cost of $21.75, which I find to be amusing. But trading options is risky. It's the same way I could be up this much, I could be down 99% like I am with my Shell call, or not my Shell, but my EROS calls. Overall, I'm very happy with how Shell's moving today. Hopefully you'll continue this trend, but I would not be surprised if there's a huge sell-off tomorrow or sometime this week. I'll probably hold until the merger date. I know once we get the merger date announced, people will probably sell off, but I'll probably hold through the merger date announcement and the merger going through. SPAQ's up 9.2% for the day, which is very appreciated and well needed. I'm testing most of this just Shell and Shell running up. I'm not complaining. That brings down my total return to negative 5.77%, which the closer it is to zero and the closer it gets to making me some profit, I'm all for. Hopefully keeps this trend and doesn't sell off tomorrow. So right now I'm a little more willing to sell SPAQ and buy back in at a later date, or who knows, if Shell ends up dipping again, I might buy more Shell with the SPAQ, but it depends on how much SPAQ goes up, and if it looks like it's going to continue going up. I don't think that SPAQ should be anywhere near the 20s. The merger date is still quite away, so I don't think it should be around the $20 mark, and there's no news that would warrant it getting to the $20 mark, so I will probably buy back in if I do end up selling towards the end of September. But yeah, and probably put my money back into Shell before the merger date. So EROS had a solid day. It's up around 6.5%. It did not affect my calls whatsoever. So IVR is up 5.2%, which is really nice, but my calls actually went down today off of this, which is interesting, but long term, so I am not too fazed by this. But yeah guys, overall really solid day. Hopefully the rest of the week follows, but I'm expecting there to be a pullback sometime this week. Hopefully EROS continues on its green streak. I know it's up today, but it didn't affect my calls. I would like to see EROS back in the $3 range. Let me know how your Mondays started off. If you were playing EROS, let me know how profitable it was for you. I will be posting portfolio update 36 tomorrow. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuce.